So in this interaction, you need to build a bridge. You need to pick your support height, your bridge span, and your lowest cable point. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to pick 150 as my support height. My bridge span I'm going to pick as being 600. And the lowest cable point I'm going to pick 5. Alright, so let's build our bridge. So there it is. Okay. So now with this bridge, I know that my vertex is at 305. It's over 300 and up by 5. I also know that the y-intercept is up 150. Okay. So given this information, the easiest equation in order to model this situation is going to be vertex form. We know what the vertex is, so the vertex form is going to be the easiest. So we know our vertex. That means we can insert these into our p and our q values. So our p value is going to be 300, and our q value is 5. We also know another point, and that point is our y-intercept, and it has an x value of 0 and a y value of 150. Next, we need to say that 0 minus 300 is negative 300, and negative 300 squared is positive 90,000. Subtracting 5 from both sides gives us 145. And when we divide both sides by 90,000, we get 0.0016 as our a value. So let's drag that in there for our a value. Our p and our q value haven't changed. They're still 305. So now we need to continue. And we need to solve this by multiplying it all out and using order of operations rules in order to get this into general form. Okay, so now we need to use the order of operations to finish solving this equation, transferring it from vertex form into general form. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that x minus 300 all squared. We get x squared minus 600x plus 90,000. Now we're going to take all of those values and we're going to multiply them by 0.0016. And when we do that, we get 0.0016x squared minus 0.96x plus 144. And lastly, we're going to add that 5 from the outside of the bracket to the 144, giving us our final answer in general form. Y equals 0.0016x squared minus 0.96x plus 149. Okay, so our a value is 0.0016. Our b value is negative 0.96. And our c value is 149. Now you should go and try building some different bridges.